Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN, link in the description below to stay safe online. Stan is an all-in-one creator storefront designed for digital entrepreneurs from selling products to booking calls. Here's how it works, whether it lives up to the hype. Stan is a mobile-first platform that gives creators a customizable link-in-bio store. Users can sell digital products, offer one-to-one consultations, accept payments, and build email lists and host landing pages, all from a single dashboard. Drag-and-drop editor for building a personal storefront. It's built-in for scheduling for calls with calendar integration. It's got email capture and broadcast tools, digital product delivery and upsell funnels, and payment processing through Stripe. The pros include easy to use with no coding required. It's ideal for creators selling courses, guides, or coaching. It's got fast setup. Most pages can go live in under 30 minutes. And it's got streamlined tools that replace the need for multiple apps. Cons, limited customization compared to full website builders, more useful for solo creators than teams or large businesses. It's got advanced marketing tools like automation, and it's still basic, and requires a paid subscription. There's no free tier. Stan is a solid platform for creators who want to monetize quickly without dealing with complex tools. It's not a full web platform, but for digital sellers and coaches, it simplifies the process of turning followers into customers. For more videos like this, subscribe, give this a like if it helped, comment down below what else you want to see a review from us on, and don't forget to check out NordVPN. Thank you.